Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Getting Started with Python, a comprehensive course in Chennai. Introduction. Python is a versatile and powerful programming language, making it an ideal choice for beginners and experienced developers alike. If you're in Chennai and eager to learn Python, this tutorial will guide you through the essential aspects of a Python course in the city. Let's explore the course structure, key topics, and even include some code examples to get you started on your Python journey. Introduction to Python. Python Basics. Control flow. Functions and modules. Data structures. Object-oriented programming, OOP. File handling. Exception handling. By completing this comprehensive Python course in Chennai, you'll gain a solid foundation in Python programming. Each topic is accompanied by practical examples to reinforce your understanding. Remember to practice regularly, work on coding projects, and seek additional resources for a well-rounded learning experience. Happ.